Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and in today's video, we will understand various terminologies used in retail industry. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe so that I can bring you such more content in the future. So let's begin the video. What is add-on sale? Add-on sale is a sale of additional product or a service to the customer with the primary product. So let us understand this with one simple example. Consider that the customer is purchasing a mobile. So if you sell a Bluetooth earphone or a memory card with the mobile, then it is called as add-on sale. Here the primary product is mobile and the add-on product is a memory card or a Bluetooth earphone. This sales method or this sales technique is also called as cross-selling or attachment selling. What is anchor store? An anchor store is a large departmental store or a large hypermarket in a shopping center or in a shopping mall. The anchor store is usually a well-known chain store that is popular with the consumers. Examples for anchor stores in a mall are Big Bazaar, Zara, H&M, to name some of them. So what is the importance of anchor store in a mall? The presence of this kind of store can increase the customer footfall in the mall or in a shopping center. So that is the reason these stores are called as footfall drivers. What is average bill value? Average bill value is the average amount spent by the customer in one transaction. This is calculated by dividing the total value of all the transaction or total sale by number of the transaction or number of bills. So in short, we can say that average bill value is equal to total sale divided by total number of bills. Now let us understand what is big box store. These are usually a large rectangular or square shaped retail store. These kind of stores have a large amount of floor space and a wide range of products for sale across different categories. Usually, big box stores generally offer products at a lower prices. This is possible because here the products are sold in high volume, therefore they are able to lower their profit margin, which will help in pricing the products competitively. The classic examples of big box stores are Walmart, Carrefour and IKEA. Now let us discuss what is brick and mortar store. Brick and mortar store refers to a traditional business that has a physical store or the store where the customer will come and browse the products and he will make the purchases. In short, we can say that brick and mortar store refers to a physical store. Many customers still prefer to shop and browse in a physical store. In brick and mortar store, customers can speak with the employees and ask the question about the product or a service. What is brick and click store? These are the retailers which integrate their brick and mortar store with the e-commerce website, which means these retailers will sell their products in a physical store as well as they will sell online also. For example, nowadays you can see all the major retailers will do their business from the retail store, that is from the physical store, as well as they will do the business online also. For example, Tata Croma has a physical store and they will sell their products on the website also. Another example is Reliance Smart. Smart will sell grocery from their physical stores as well as they will take orders online also. So this is called as brick and click stores. This is very convenient because customers can easily shop from the comfort of their home. In brick and click format, you will order the products online and it will be delivered at your doorsteps. Now what is click and collect? This is the service provided by the retailer wherein the customer will purchase an item on the retailer's website and he will choose it to pick up at the store, which means that the customer can book and pay for the product on the website and he can later visit the store and pick up the product. The next terminology is cross merchandising. Cross merchandising is one of the most important terminology in the retail industry. So it is a display of products from different categories together in the store. It will encourage the customer to buy several products instead of one product. So examples of cross merchandising are displaying socks with the shoes, display of tie with a formal shirt, and display of a belt with a trouser. All these are common tactics used in a retail to increase the sales of the store. The next terminology is drop shipping. So drop shipping is a sales model that will allow the retailers to buy the products individually from a supplier and have them shipped directly to the customer. Once the customer will place the order to a retailer, the order directly goes to the supplier and the supplier will directly ship the product to the customer. What is e-commerce? E-commerce stands for electronic commerce or it is an electronic retail. This will allow people to buy or sell a product over a computer network such as the internet. For example, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce website in the world. And in India, we have many e-commerce such as Flipkart, Snapdeal, Tata Croma, Reliance Digital, to name some of them. Now let us understand what is EPOS. EPOS stands for Electronic Point of Sale. It is the computer system used in a retail store to process payments, record sales, and collect the customer information. What is inventory management? So inventory management is monitoring and control of the goods and stocks so that the new stock can be ordered as required and the right numbers and the quantities are made available at all times. What is loss prevention? Loss prevention is a concept of putting policies and procedures in a place to prevent the loss of stock or money in a retail environment. Loss of goods will happen typically through theft, fraud and misconduct. Now let us understand what is markdown. Markdown is decreasing the price of the product because of its inability to sell the product at the original price. Markdown is also done in case of near to expiry items, especially in FMCG products. Markdown is very common in the supermarket format, wherein the fruits and vegetables which will be brought in the morning will be marked down and sold in the evening time. Now let us understand the most important terminology, which is merchandising. Merchandising is the art of marketing the right product at the right time, in the right place, in the right quantities and at the right price. So usually merchandising means display of goods and merchandise offered for a sale in a creative way that will entice the customer to purchase more items or products. So friends, that's all in today's video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. And also I'll be coming up with a part 2 of retail terminology very soon. So see you all soon in my next video.